Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Banking Chasers 2021. So today is our second day of our 30-day series for the upcoming SBI Clerk 2021 examination. Trust me guys, if you follow this timetable every single day religiously, you're going to get your dream job. Just don't give up at any point. Even if you feel low, motivate yourself and just start to studying. Don't give up at any point of time. Okay, and also don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and also please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started with our today's video. So the first thing that you're going to do as soon as you wake up is revision. You're going to revise tables, square and cubes. Table till try to learn and revise every single day till 30, square till 30 and cubes 15 will be alright. The next task will be to learn basic algebraic formulas. Okay, so just go on Google and type basic algebra formulas and you will get different types of PDF and images. So what I will suggest is just on a plain paper, just write it down all the formulas and revise it every single day. This will be the basic foundation for your upcoming chapters. Let's get started with English. So English, you're going to first read editorial with 3-minute timer like you did yesterday. Then you are going to learn 10 new words and revise yesterday's words. Okay, learn 10 new words with their synonyms and antonyms as well. Then go for 15 grammar rules. Don't go for more than 15 or don't go less than 15. 15 grammar rules and try to also apply them. The next thing that you are going to do is solve para jumbles and reading comprehension. Try to solve 5 para jumbles and reading comprehension 2 will be enough. Solve it in medium level and with a timer. For para jumbles put at least 2 minutes and for reading comprehension go for 4 minutes and try to solve them within the time. Then let's move on for reasoning. Again, you are going to solve 2 puzzles of medium level with go for a timer, put 4-minute timer for puzzle and you will be alright. Then solve syllogism and inequalities like you did yesterday, but today you are going to do them of hard level and that also with timer for each question. Okay, I'm saying put 65-second timer and we will reduce it in the upcoming days. So solve at least 100 syllogism problems and 100 inequalities problems of hard level. Then let's move on to quant. For your quant section, again today you are going to solve at least 100 problems of simplification and approximation and 100 problems based on percentage. I think simplification and approximation go for hard or difficult level and percentage go for at least medium level types of question, but try to solve at least 100. Okay, it is very important because from tomorrow we are going to start different chapter. That's why revision of them is very important. So don't give up on solving your 100 problems. Try to solve 100 problems. Then the last thing that we are going to do is DI. Try to solve 1 or 2 easy DI and if possible solve 1 medium type of DI today with a timer and put a timer of 5 minutes and you will be done for the day. I hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to please like and share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.